Hi. Puppies. Puppies. Hi. Hi. How are my puppies doing? Hi. I know it's almost lunchtime, isn't it? It's okay, Sophie. What? What? Oh. Hi. Hi. Yes, we have the second level up there, so you can't climb out. You're too young to climb out yet. I see you. I see you trying. Should I get your lunch ready? Is it almost lunchtime? Hi, Snookum. Hi, Snookum. I see you in there. What you do? Hi.